Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Hey tech friends, let's talk about why the Xiaomi Redmi 14C might be the best phone for your money. First, the screen. It's a big 6.88-inch screen that makes everything look smooth and clear, especially when you're scrolling through stuff. It's not the absolute sharpest screen, but for this price, it's amazing. Inside the phone, there's a fast computer chip called the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. It's great for doing everyday things and playing some games. You can get it with lots of memory and storage too, up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. You can even add a memory card for up to 1 TB. Let's talk pictures. The Redmi 14C has a 50MP main camera that takes really nice photos. The other cameras aren't as good, but they still work well. And the front camera is great for selfies and video chats. The battery is huge. It's a 5160 mAh battery that lasts all day. And it charges quickly with 18W fast charging, so you won't have to wait long to use it again. It has all the connections you need, like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, and even a headphone jack. It also has NFC for easy payments. It's safe too, with a fingerprint scanner on the side and face unlock. It uses the latest Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS, which is easy to use and lets you change lots of things. And guess what? It starts at just Rs 11,000 in India. That's a super deal. And there's a 5G version coming out on January 6, 2025. So, if you're a student, someone who just uses their phone for the basics, or if you need a second phone, the Xiaomi Redmi 14C is a great choice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the bell to see more tech videos. See you next time.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.